Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into segment for event routing in apps, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the segment website by typing in the URL. Once the page has loaded, locate the login button on the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. On the login page, enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you've forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link for assistance. Once you have filled in your credentials, click on the Login button to access your account. After logging in, you will be directed to the segment dashboard. From the dashboard, locate the Sources menu on the left sidebar. Click on Sources to view your existing sources. To set up a new source for event routing, click on the Add Source button. A list of available source integrations will appear. Select the type of source you want to create based on your app platform. Follow the prompts to configure the selected source. Make sure to fill in all the required fields, such as the source name and description. Once you have configured your source, click on the Save button. After saving, navigate to the Destinations menu on the left sidebar. Click on Destinations to manage the services where your events will be routed. Select the destination you want to connect with your source. Follow the setup instructions for the chosen destination. Once the destination is configured, ensure that it's enabled to start routing events. To test the integration, send a test event through your new source. Monitor the segment dashboard to verify that the event is successfully routed to the destination. If all goes well, you've now successfully logged in and set up event routing in your app using Segment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.